Okay, welcome to this quick video on working with contacts in AgileCRM. You'll notice here that I have selected the Contacts tab from the left-hand side navigation. The very next column we can see shows us the user-defined fields that we had set up in the earlier sections, and by clicking the little plus button there we can actually set up a series of filters and searches. So for example, we have entered created a VIP tag a little earlier on. If we were to select that, we can see that the system will bring us back only contacts who has VIP selected. Looking at this main part of the screen here now, we just delete that particular tag. We will again see all of our contacts, and we will notice by selecting one or more or all of these particular contacts, we have a range of buttons that have become active across the top here, which will allow us to take these different actions against one or more of those particular contacts. Okay, we can add a contact manually here. And if we want to change the view being which data columns we see in our particular screen, then we can hit the little drop down arrow, add or remove. So for example, I may want to show the email address. By double clicking email address, it's added across into the right hand side. Save changes, and now we see the email column showing in our contact screen. It also allows you to show a grid view, which is quite handy, which is a little more like a business card type view, and you can see that it has any tags that have been created also showing on each particular card. And by using this particular feature here, we can also create a set of filters very similar to what we create over here. And we can create and save those particular filters in that section there. So let's just change that back, and now we'll click through and have a look at a particular contact. You can see as we hover over a contact, you do see a little pop-up of the basic summary of contact details. And if we click through to the contact, we have more information made available to us immediately. By clicking the little drop down next to the name, you'll see that we have a series of actions available to us there. We can add the notes, tasks, and deals, etc. Having said that, most of those are also made available in the tabs across the top. Unfortunately, these pop-ups are getting in the way there, but we have the same series of actions listed in tabs across the top here. We can add a case. There we go. Tasks, events, we can add notes, and we can view the timeline, which shows us all the interactions that particular contact has had with our organization. On the left here, we can see any of the tags that have been created manually. We can add new tags as well from this particular screen.